Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing another unboxing video for the Xiaomi True Wireless Earbuds Basic. And this is the box. It's pretty simple. Supports Bluetooth 5.0, has a charging case and independent wireless design. There we go. It's an original one made in China. Let's open the box. Okay, so here goes. There it is. That's the charging case with the earbuds inside. Has a normal USB charger and they look pretty good. Considering it's not very expensive. I just got these off Amazon for about 60 dirhams, including shipping. And let's see what else is in the box apart from this. Just some literature. Yeah, that's all we have is the literature in 7 languages. And some spare cushions, ear cushions. So there it is, guys. Won't really be able to plug these in and tell you how they sound, but that's what is in the box. Thank you for watching.